In front of me is INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access users and accounts. Then hit Google under Password Management and select any password to edit. Following that, enter your screen lock and tap on Edit button. Then change wherever you want to, and when you finished, hit Save. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!